Hi guys, I'm Eva from Seasons in Garden, and today I'll show you how to grow your tomatoes from seed. I'll be using seeding pots that are made out of coconut fiber or coir. The seeding pot has two sides, a side with a hole and a flat side. I will place them whole side up on a waterproof tray. I'm using a plastic waterproof tray, but any tray will do. I even used my casserole dish for seeding them. The only thing that it's important is that your waterproof tray has raised sides so that it can hold water. Seeding pots come in several versions. There's a peat version, a coconut coir version with and without fleece, and I also found this sphagnum moss version that says that there's no peat in it and no coconut coir. I'm using the coconut coir version this time that has the fleece on, so I don't require any extra containers. When you have spaced your seeding pots evenly on a waterproof tray, you can start watering them. I made a mistake of starting to water them from the corner of the tray. It goes much better and much faster if you start watering them from the middle of the tray. My watering can has volume of 1.5 liters and I will use all of it. Because the seeding pots are in the tray, the water won't overflow. The seeding pots will expand as soon as the water hits them, and this process goes pretty fast, that's why watering is so slow. When you have used up all of your water, then leave them for 5 minutes to finish soaking up, and you're ready to go. After 5 minutes, we are ready to add our seeds to the pots. With wet finger, pick up a seed and simply put it into the middle of the pot. I'm using a bamboo skewer, and with this bamboo skewer I'm also putting a little bit of coir on top of the seed. I put 1 to 2 seeds per pot depending on the size of the seeds. For bigger seeds I put 1 per pot, and for smaller ones I put 2 per pot. When they are big enough, then I cull the smaller seedling so that only the big one stays and becomes a big tomato plant. For extra small seeds like amaranth or Rudbeckia nana or something like that, I simply sprinkle the seeds on top and I don't even bother counting because it makes no sense. When you are done with the package of the seed, then label the pot so that you know what variety they are. I make my label from the package sticker. I peel off the label from the package and then stick the toothpick in the middle of the back of the sticker and fold the sticker over the toothpick. And this becomes my label. I will just unstick it in the last pot. And when you're done with all of the seeds and with all of the labels, you can put the tray on a sunny windowsill and let the seeds grow. When the seedlings are big enough, you can pop them, pot and all, into a bigger container or a garden, depending if the seedlings need hardening. And that's all for our video today. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you soon. If you like this video, please subscribe, and make sure to check our website at seasonsandgarden.com.